Spending time in nature, even a little, can have major positive health effects for one's body. This has long been thought or known by the medical establishment, but now there is another study to confirm this. The participants spent at least 10 minutes or longer in nature and did this at least 3 times a week. Their levels of cortisol, which is a stress hormone, was measured in their saliva before they went out in nature and afterwards. This was done once every 2 weeks. The results showed even the short time in nature, less than 20 minutes, had their cortisol levels reduced by a significant amount. Those that spent 20 to 30 minutes in nature had their levels reduced even more. The study also factored stressing and de-stressing factors in these people's lives. The lead author of the study, Dr. Mary Carol Hunter, an associate professor at the University of Michigan, said, quote, "Our study shows that for the greatest payoff in terms of effectively lowering levels of the stress hormone cortisol, you should spend 20 to 30 minutes sitting or walking in a place that provides you with a sense of nature." End of quote. Now this is an easy way to relax and de-stress oneself. Even if you live in an urban area, there is hopefully a park nearby you can visit, and one does not have to spend a long time in nature, as this study points out, to get the benefits of it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done so for more videos.